No, I'm building
Testing. I'm going to be testing the tour. We're gonna be doing a tour of our mini blocks place. And also, this will be a video, not just a tour, but we're gonna be goofing around and building stuff. It's gonna be super duper funny. So stay tuned.
Yeah, stay tuned because this video is gonna be a long video.
It's probably gonna be a pretty long video. We have 1 hour. My boss said I got locked up in my basement. My boss said I was in his basement, and I said, your basement is actually quite comfortable.
What?
They stuck me into his basement and told me to start making videos.
Oh.
Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate.
Sorry, bro.
I know, but I'm stuck in my boss's basement. Now, we don't walk the plank. It's because the plank's not there anymore. There used to be a plank that you would walk straight after this bridge. Oh, now we have to climb? You sneaky. I'm gonna drop it.
No, we should actually. Voice sounds so distorted.
Alright, boy, I made it to the top. Now it's time to jump off. Ooh. And then we also have a gun display. There's all of our guns. We just built these like a couple minutes ago. We have a abandoned house and something called the parkour stairs. You guys know this. We have just this for no reason. My friend's starting on a castle. We got our PC set up. Oh my god, I just started flying. What's up? We have a failed project. Which is mostly me with the failed project. And then we also do have a pistol. And then that's really all. This used to be like way cooler. But like for some reason, I didn't buy the pack so it didn't save. But we'll just turn around in slow motion. And then, oh, sorry. Yeah, I'll just turn this into slow motion. Let you see all that. Alright.
Basically just a 360 turn of it.
Yeah. But basically, I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom. I might disconnect. So just stop recording. See you on the next recording. Alright guys, back. I just met you in the second recording after a little convenient diarrhea.
He's joking.
No, I'm not joking. Yeah, it took like maybe 1 minute to get it all out. But yeah, that was pretty painful. But we are going to be just messing around, you know, like building stuff. You know, we are saying that our mini blocks is not finished enough. I mean, you can definitely see that there's like a bunch of hard work put into this, but not enough. We want...
Yeah, you can never have enough monkey blocks.
We want sweat, blood, and tears put into this. Sweat, blood, and tears.
Hey, Theo, do you like my castle?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. There's apples that I can throw. Ooh. Well, what should we create next? Say it and we'll make it.
A house.
And also, guys, he wants us to make a house, so we are going to make a house. But also, we're going to do a Stay in the Circle challenge plus in this video. Because, as you can see in Random Guy VR's channel, if you look in his channel, he actually said that he would make a full video. So we're going to make a full video. And also, you guys can comment down below if you want us to build different things.
Okay, Theo, I'm going to test out the castle. Holy crap, we built a lot of stuff.
Oh.
Bruh.
Oh my god. After this, we gotta build a house.
Yeah. Okay, we got 2 statues. You gotta tap them if you want. You gotta tap them if you want to be blessed by the castle gods. Okay, here.
Wow, very big.
Oh, and then also back here, with a couple of ladders to get up quickly. And then some apple. Yum yum.
Let's build a castle.
Let's do it. Ah. No, do you mean a house?
Yeah, that's what I meant.
First, we gotta start with the terrain. Let's just make it really, really flat.
Now I want to add it like details, so I want to make it like bumpy to it.
Okay.
You know we have limited space in Monkey Blocks, right?
Yeah. But soon we will run out if we keep doing this. Then you can't.
Also, we're just gonna save once in a while. I don't think.
Right here. And this should definitely go right here. And there's still a little bit of parts that are still mine. So we're just gonna move those. That means you can actually access them. Alright, so now we've got the bumpy terrain of the house. Man, I'm so excited for this, surviving. Without getting out of VR. We can't get out of VR. So if you need to go to the bathroom, then,
That doesn't count.
yes, it does. You're just gonna have to keep your headset on.
Just pee on the floor or something.
What? You weird.
The only way.
But I like people like that. I like weird people.
Because you are weird.
Oh. You know, we've done so much stuff in Monkey Blocks.
Honestly, we're actually starting to build up a memory collection already.
Yeah. Like, these guns, bro. My gun, I love it. Your gun, I love it. Your other gun, I love it.
Yeah, we already made a couple of guns.
Yeah, guys, try to punch this. Try to make it go all the way. I think we should make some more little mini guns in the future.
Yeah, sure.
Well, when like more stuff comes into Gorilla Tag. Alright, I think this bumpy terrain is good. We can start building the house. I'll get the wood. Let me get the floor.
Dang, we put a lot of detail.
Alright, bro. I think the house...
No.
Here, just place it down. I think the house should be right here. See that? No, that is the most boring placing. I think it should be like at the bottom of this hill.
Hang on, wait.
What?
You know, let's... There we go. Put it right there and then that
Oh.
right here. Right.
Oh, we should make like a secret path into the rocks. That would be cool.
We built so much stuff in Monkey Blocks.
I know, bro. Like, I'm just looking back at all of this stuff, and I'm saying memory lane. Isn't this memory lane for you?
Yes, we've built so much stuff in Monkey Blocks.
These guns were not memory lane because we made them like a couple minutes ago. Alright, bro. Let's start on the house. Sure. I'll get you...
I'm already working on the walls.
I see that there's a gap.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah, that's where we gotta fix that.
Mm-hmm.
Then we need...
Fixed it. Four. We need a 4 by something.
Okay, there we go. Right there.
Nah. Ooh, we almost made friends.
I wish we did it. Yeah. We gotta get like another one of these.
Oh. Stop trying to make friends. We did it.
Okay, we need a 2 and a 4.
Yep. A 2? No. It's because we don't want to fully enclose the house. We still want a door.
I got you.
Alright? Door.
Hang on, we need to add a doorstep. There we go.
Wait, Bo. Nah.
Wait. Those look so old.
Yeah, we don't want it all old-timey. Aren't you gonna put this on the top? Bam. Okay.
No, we need to add stuff.
Okay. So, like, what are we gonna add?
A couch. Duh.
Here, Bo. I'll add a chair. I'll make a mini chair. Blender. Oh, yeah.
They're good, though. Then let's add a shelf.
Oh, yeah. I already have a rack.
Bombardino crocodilo.
Damn.
Bombardino crocodilo. What the heck happened to the house?
I am here. Get out.
I am Steve. As a child, I yearned for the mines. Bro. What? No, we gotta add a bathroom. Theo, we obviously gotta add a bathroom.
Yeah, we do.
How are we gonna poop?
I don't know. We just gotta. You would just lock in.
Just poop on the floor.
Alright, bro. I added some stairs so that we can actually get up and down.
Wait, but then we need one more doorstep. You are cooked!
Sorry, guys. There might be some noise in the background. But it's fine. Just ignore. Is that enough stuff? We need a TV.
Bet.
No, let me add the TV. I haven't added, like, anything. Wait. How the hell are we gonna add a TV? Did little bro just take the whole room?
No, the generation is cooked. Both 5-year-olds say I'm skibbity toilet at the park. This generation is cooked.
Yeah, honestly. Ugh. Please, speed. Oh, that's right. I'm spinning. Pedro.
I, Steve, as a child, I yearned for them.
As a child,
There's got to be a way.
there's got to be a way. I.
Steve.
Oi. I'm Sneed. As a child, I put Sneed in my mouth. Lots of it. In fact, my mom told me to stop.
Steve. As a child, I yearned for. Okay. Ah, bro. Oh, you just took the roof.
Nah, bro, I love the roof.
Sneed. Yep. Wait, Theo, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay, good boy.
Good boy. Good. I'm just that guy, I know. Okay. Yep, I know.
Sitting in the corner, playing my recorder.
Alright, guys.
I got him to sing it.
The house is done. Wait, no, we need light. No, there's no lights. Alright, it's ready. Come on.
I'm sitting in the corner, playing my recorder.
Don't we need some place to put our shoes?
No, we don't. We don't have shoes.
To be realistic, yep.
We're monkeys with no legs. We don't need shoes.
Bro, let's watch some TV.
We watch Paw Patrol.
No. Let's watch Naruto. Yo. Let me try. Bro, I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay. Oh, I thought you meant in real life.
Wait, no, he needs to go too. No. Where do I wash my hands?
Let's play hide and seek in here.
All right, you're the seeker.
Okay.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now, by the way, you can hide out of the house. Okay, your turn to seek.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
What's up?
What up?
No.
Already, bro, start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know. Why do I have a feeling that he's on the roof? Stop!
All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, that's enough hide and seek.
Okay.
Actually, no, one more run.
Okay.
You seek.
No, you seek.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I found you. Okay, one more round of hide and seek. One more.
Alrighty. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, what's up?
Dude. Okay, let's build something. Okay, what should we build now? Guys, if you want us to do a part 2 to this, just comment down below what to build. Oh my god, I can't get out. Oh my god.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Oh yeah, I just gotta click that. Old windmills. We gotta make sure my PC is cold.
Oh.
There you go.
The most goofy PC setup.
Let's build a playground. Let's build a playground.
Whoop! Guys, please.
Please ignore him. Please ignore him.
Yeah, please, just please. And also just please keep watching this video. I know he might be very, very loud. But just please. Just stay. I know it might be hard.
Bro's so depressed he has to keep video games he has to play video games to keep him entertained. Oh damn, I didn't think about that.
Oh, bro. Bro looks so busy.
Okay, every park needs a slide, bro. Every park does.
I don't think.
Also, every park needs rocks to climb on.
God, bro, look at this. Look what I'm doing to the park.
Heck no.
I need to add some more rocks. Rock.
No, don't stack them. Place them like just randomly. Like
Yo, why did you take my... Not gonna say enough.
Wow, so clever.
You gotta have some trees. Wait, add a rope to the tree. Add a rope to the tree. Bro, this is the tip of the tree.
I wanted to act like be in like an accurate playground to real life.
I know. So there should be a rope, shouldn't there?
Yeah.
Oh, we forgot to add some lights to the house. Here, I'll just do that quickly.
Skillish.
Alright, bro. What are you doing? What the... Alright, bro. It seems like a good idea, so I won't question it.
But you know where he is, though. Oh.
Look! Grady! I made one of those, like, little bar things that you always hang on. Look. Oh my god, that was loud.
I'm gonna be deaf.
Yeah, after
I'm
this...
gonna be deaf, bro. Dude, literally, I'm gonna be deaf.
Me too. So I know it's weird.
Dude, literally, I'm gonna be deaf by the time he's done playing.
Nah.
No, Evan! That was supposed to be a joke, but... Well, you gotta... playing, Elliot. Oof, that hurt. That hurt me. You're adding monkey bars!
Yeah, I know. So smart. You could have done that at the start. Oh, you beat me to it.
Yeah.
Well, it's time. I'm gonna test out these monkey bars because I'm really, really excited.
The monkey bars actually work.
They do.
How do you...
Actually, gotta.
Broke smarter not harder. Wait, these actually might work. Oh, no, they don't. You have to... Dude, this is actually...
Bro, it's just like on the top. You gotta balance. See? Ah!
I wonder if we can add a swing set. Gotcha.
Wait, two ropes. Just add ropes. Look, it's a slide. No. Here, let me see if it will actually swing. It doesn't move. It's stuck in the ground. It won't move.
Michael, please, don't leave me here. Remember that thing from Scary Rabbit, Theo?
Yeah.
Michael, don't leave me here. Michael! And they just banging on the window.
Bro, connect the thing to the tree. Connect the ropes. It will be an even better swing set. Bro, connect it to the tree. This tree. Come on, bro.
Nah, bro. Dude, stop.
1 second, bro.
Actually, wait.
See? It will...
Yeah, we should actually add a climbing tree. That's smart.
Yeah.
What?
We built pretty much everything imaginable, Theo.
Wait, yes, it can swing. It can still swing.
No, Theo, we should build a climbing wall.
Hollow.
Daddy Gojo?
Yo, Daddy Gojo. What's up, Daddy Gojo?
Down.
Have we really been playing for that long?
It's 150.
We have been playing for that one. So my headset should last 15 or 10 more minutes.
I just hit my hand on the PC.
Oh my god, bro.
It hurts.
Okay.
Oh, bro, that actually hurt.
Spinny thing.
Yeah. Grady, put your hands up in the air. Never mind.
I added parkour at the top.
Parkour whip.
Look.
That's the easiest parkour, bro. Watch me do it in one try.
Imagine he fails.
Bro, that would just be so embarrassing.
I know, because you said you were going to do it. Hey, Theo, after we're done playing VR, do you want to mess around with the love sack?
Yeah. Okay, bro, stop. That was the easiest parkour.
Nah, wait, I gotta add ladders so people can get up. Here, remember, save it. Okay, Theo, we should be done after I place this ladder.
Nah, it's only 152. Okay, I need good start as he builds. All right, guys, we're gonna do a 0.5 times speed until something interesting happens.
Yeah, like my headset dying. Got him.
Share my bricks. Alright, guys.
Hang on, Thea. How are we gonna share this? And share my blocks, Thea? Hang on. T8 H HR T F. Map not found. That map not.
Come on, let's go. Let's go.
How do we even use share my blocks?
There's a code on the computer that shows the code that you need to put in.
Wait, what?
No, not that computer. This computer. Use this ID WG72 dash 6T.
Hang on, tell me the map. Tell me the map ID. Theo, tell me the map ID again.
Okay. WG7.
Hang on. WD7.
No, G7.
WG7. Theo, WG7.
Okay. Z.
Z.
Wait, no. Backspace.
Okay.
Z.
D.
6.
6.
T.
T.
W.
W.
K.
K. Enter.
Did it do it?
Oh, Theo, come in to share my blocks. It says both of us have to be in.
Okay. I'm coming.
Good boy.
Alright, bro, I'm in. Yes! Let's go! Slide down, brother!
Hang on, one of my friends is calling me.
Biggest bag, biggest of back, biggest of back.
Look. Wait, dude, the monkey bars still don't work.
I know. Whoa! Where did my gun go? Where did my gun go?
Wait, let's check the map. Let's check the map.
Oh, it's because it's not placed. It's not placed.
Oh,
So
yeah.
I'm still gonna go back.
Yeah, Theo, you can go place it. Hey, Theo. Theo?
What?
Your thing still isn't placed. Isn't here.
I know.
I'm gonna climb the mountain. Theo, I'm gonna climb the mountain. Oh, Theo, my headset died.
Oh. Alright, guys, we're gonna save and then we're gonna stop. Update scan. Alright, and peace out, guys.